Welcome back, guys. This is Leland bringing you another TA of the GRT and Nucypher. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. And hit that bell notification because you don't want to miss out on these updates of GRT and Nucypher. My book's been out for a few days now. I hear people are enjoying it. Thank you so much. This book is going to teach you how to do TA. You are going to learn how to do TA within the charts. You're going to learn different patterns, indicators. This book is going to teach you about blockchain, Bitcoin, and any other cryptocurrency around that matter. It's going to make you feel more confident. You're going to understand the charts a lot better by reading this book. Let's get started. GRT. We're hitting our targets perfectly, guys. Yesterday, we were talking in the video. I was getting a little worried. We were over here in this area over here, and I had a feeling within the markets with looking at Bitcoin, looking over at the Bitcoin dominance, and this drop happened. We got the drop, and it came down, and we came and hit $1.64. Not perfectly. It wasn't perfect, but it was very close. Very close right there. If you go ahead and take a look at GRT on the MACD, we have just printed our red on our histogram, and we are starting to move back up. I am expecting to get our cross down here, and we may have potential upside. That is true. If you take a look at the RSI over here, remember in my previous videos, we were talking about this level of support for the RSI right here. We have come down and we have gotten that bounce. We actually went down below it for a little while, but you can also see we did that back here as well. We've got that bounce and we're above it, and that is very bullish. I'm feeling really good about GRT right now. Now, there are some things to talk about. I want to talk about potential downside, more potential downside. And as you can see, I have my trend lines in here. Look at this trend line that we have since we have this shift of momentum. When we have this shift of momentum, this downward action changed right here. It all changed right there, and this is the beginning of the trend line that we have. You can see we are using it as supports, looking really good, great support. I don't want to see us get below this trend line over here. So, some possible areas of support if we decide to fall even more. $1.50. Why $1.50? That's more psychological resistance than anything else. Below that, we have $1.10. Now, if you can see where we're at right now, if we fall down and we hit $1.50 and we don't get that bounce, be expecting to come down and touch this trend line. I'm not exactly sure where this trend line is going to catch that support. It's kind of hard. So if we fell straight down right now, $1.14 would be support. If we do that tomorrow, we're looking at $1.26. The next day after that, $1.31. The next day after that, $1.40. I'm moving up the line here. We want to make sure we hold this line. And if we come down and hit $1.10, that's going to be really big support. That's a really big support area for GRT. So I am hoping that we can get a bounce off this trend line. Now, if we fall below this trend line, am I bearish? Not entirely, because it is possible we could fall below this trend line and then continue to have this resumption to the upside. Not all lost, or not all hope is lost. It is possible we could come down and get above this trend line and break back up into it. I'm not foreseeing that happen, but I want to go ahead and show you guys why that 110 is going to be such big support for GRT. If you remember from my previous videos, we were talking about at the beginning how this is a cup and handle. We were making a cup and handle. We came down, we hit our neckline, and we consolidated. We consolidated after this, and once we broke out, boom, we hit our breakout target. Well, what was that breakout target? This is very important. Check this out. We go from our neckline all the way down to the top of the head of the cup, and we place it right at our breakout target right about there. And as you can see, this breakout target was hit perfectly. You can see that we hit that breakout target right here, over here, and all throughout here. and it became an area of resistance for us. A pretty hard resistance that was really hard to get above over there, and rightfully so. It should. So I'm hoping that we can come down and test $1.10 for support. That would be really good. Now, moving on. Let's say we don't even touch those support. We bounce off of our dollar. What was it? $1.64. Let's say this was the bottom. There's the bounce right there. And now we're looking for more potential upside. Okay, great. That's fantastic. I went ahead and I took a Fibonacci and I went from our swing high to our swing low. And we're on a 4-hour chart right here, guys. This is only a few days in between here. Now, you guys know, if you watch my channel, we always talk about the 618 to 786 on our Fibonacci sequences. This is the area to break above. You can see that we caught this 618 as resistance, and we're coming up and we're testing it, okay? What we want to see is we want to break back up into this 618 line. We want to get above $2.40. Be watching for this. We are really close right now. We are at $2.31. I do want to see us get above, retest that 618 line at $2.40, and we want to come up and touch the 786 line, which is $2.61. If we can get above this line right here, the 786 line, and get a bounce off of it, be expecting higher highs. We will probably be breaking all-time highs again at $2.88 on GRT. I am looking for, on the short term, of a breakout target of $3.22. Let's come up. Let's break through this resistance, get the retests, and touch that golden ratio. Get up here to this golden ratio, and guys, we are looking really bullish at that point. After $3.22, it is possible that we can come up and hit $3.40 after that. After that, my next target is $3.66, and I kid you not, if we keep scrolling up here, we're going to go up to the 2.618 and the 4.618 sequences on our Fibonacci. The 2.618, $4.92, and after that, $7.44. I know that seems really far-fetched, but where we are right now, guys, it is very easy for us to double. Very easy for us to go up 100%. That's only $4.62. That can happen, especially throughout this year. Especially throughout this year. This is a bull market. We could easily 10 times from where we are right now. That is possible, guys. I'm looking at big numbers for GRT. This is a fantastic project. It could happen. It could happen. Looking really good on GRT. You have our targets. Let's go over them one more time. We want to make sure that we hold $1.64 as support. If we break that previous low that we have over here, we could be going down and touching $1.50. If we break the $1.50, do be expecting more downside. Let's come down. Let's retest this trend line before having any further resumption off. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are enjoying this content and find it beneficial. Let's move on to the Nucypher. Nucypher looking really good right now. We got our bounce. It's looking really great. We got about 3 more hours. It's about 4 more hours before we close our daily candle. Look at the kind of candle that we're putting in. Okay, I want to show you guys this type of candle. We want to try to, this is a very bullish candle already. We have a huge wick. We're having a bunch of buying pressure, a bunch of buying pressure that pushed this wick all the way up. Now, what I want to see with this daily candle, when we close it in 4 more hours, let's turn it green. If we can turn that candle green, then now we have a candle pattern called a bullish hammer. A bullish hammer is a reverse signal within the charts. We could be having a reversal pattern. We probably won't see any more downside with that, and we'll be continuing up. So, as you can see, we came down. We didn't hit it exactly. Okay, our targets were exceeded. We came down and hit 55 cents instead of 57 cents. Pretty close. Not bad. I'll take that any day. Now, we're getting this resumption back up right now. What we want to see is we want to get above that 83 cents. Get above 83 cents, come back and test it. Boom, we're going to be breaking all-time highs. Our all-time highs back here were at 89 cents. I hope we can see that. Let's take a look at the MACD and the RSI. RSI, really low. We're low right now, guys. We're about midway. A lot of room to the upside. We can be printing higher highs. We're only at 53 on the RSI. Just like on GRT, we are starting to round out over here on the histogram. We are seeing those light red bars, and it is possible we could have our cross and start printing green on the histogram. This could be the area. Let's get that cross. I'll start feeling better. Let's get above 83 cents and start to make new all-time highs. Now, you guys already know, for us to do that, looking very similar to GRT, we need to break through the 618. We have to get above 76 cents. Get above 76 cents. Test it. Hit the 786. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Let's just get into this area. I want to feel comfortable with these patterns. Let's get above it. We break 81 cents, retest 81 cents, and boom, we are off. The next target I am looking for after we break all-time highs is going to be that golden ratio at $1. Don't expect to break through that $1 so easy. We might play around in here for a while. I don't expect us to be breaking that $1 on the first try. We will get rejected. I'm willing to bet we will get rejected, and we'll come back down and test all-time highs again at that 89 cent area before we come back up and try to break it again. Once we break that $1 area, come back, test it as support. We're looking at $1.03, $1.10, $1.44, and $2.12. That is very possible. This is probably going to be happening throughout the year. We are making our higher highs. We are in an uptrend. We are moving up higher, and I expect that to happen. If we don't, if we get rejected at this 618, guys, and we come back down and we break through 68 cents, see how this was holding as support over here? Break through 68 cents, we'll be coming down and touching 63 cents, 64 cents, or I'm sorry, 55 cents after that. Breaking that 55-cent area is this blue line over here. That's the 1618 on our Fibonacci sequence. We'll be coming down and touching 51 cents, and I hope we get our bounce at 48 cents. Break below 48 cents, and it is possible you could come down and hit 40, or I'm sorry, you break your 41 cents right here, and we could be going a lot lower. I would be changing my tone if we break that. So, just to recap real quick, sorry, that was a little bit all over the place, but okay, 57 cents. We hold that as support. Great. If not, we come down, hit 51 cents, 48 cents, and then 41 cents after that. I want to see these resumptions off if we go ahead and break down below 55 cents. I'm not exactly sure where that's going to be going. Those are the targets. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are getting a bunch of benefits out of this TA. And I appreciate you guys coming by. Remember, it's all about the TA. My name is Leland, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.